Hi everyone, this is Professor Evolution 8. The Sun and Moon Premium Trainer Box product image was shown. It will be coming in Japan on December the 9th. It will be 5,000 yen or about $50. Comes with 10 packs each of Collection Sun and Collection Moon, a deck box, a coin, damage and condition markers, a set of 64 card sleeves, a GX marker, which I'm not sure what it's going to be used for. We will have to see, and 154 additional cards consisting of 46 trainers and 108 energy. We're going to have a look at the image. Looks like we've got this awesome deck box. I like it so much. Then we got these nice cool looking energy cards. We got the strong energy and the other special energies. We got Lysandra, Versus Seeker, and Professor Sycamore. And we got a whole stack of cards here. We got a Pokeball sleeves. We got the guard, the packs as usual. And then we got the GX marker, cool looking coin. I like this Pokeball symbol on it. We got this nice burn coin and the poison coin. I like that these condition markers are not those cardboard kind and they look very nice. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe. Thank you so much. Goodbye.